Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make a Naga chilli pickle. It's a Bangladeshi chili. Stick around to see how we prepare it. Here's a list of all the ingredients that we'll be using to make this pickle. Now we'll be preparing the vegetables. Take the stalks of the chili and give them a good wash. Separate the garlic and put them in hot water. It will make it easier to peel the skin off. Now just gently peel all the skin off the garlics and set them aside for blending later. In the food processor, blend the chilies first, then add the garlic and then finish off with the tomato. So the camera didn't record the first part of the cooking process. What I did was I heated the oil and fried the mustard seeds, the 5 spice and the cumin seeds. And then after cooking them for about 5-10 minutes, I added in the curry powder, and now I've added in the salt, and we're cooking this down for about 30-35 minutes. Now we're going to add about a cup and a half or maybe 2 cups of vinegar. I'm adding in apple cider vinegar. You can add in any vinegar that you want. Now set aside and leave it to cool down. As you can see, it's got a very vibrant kind of colour going on. In a separate pan, boil some water so you can put your container in for about 5 minutes to sterilize it. The color and the aroma is amazing, and the taste is unreal. It's so hot, but it's so tasty at the same time. Now to just fill up the sterile jar and pack it away. The longer you leave it, the more intense the flavors will become. thank you very much for watching my Naga Pickle recipe. I hope you make it and I hope you enjoy it too.